The Constitution was designed to be a limitation on power because the founders realized that the key to preserving freedom was to make sure that no persons and no organization, and particularly the federal government, did not become so powerful that it could oppress the people, as the English king and parliament did back in the 1600s and 1700s. And so that was why the idea of the Constitution being faithfully interpreted was critical in order to preserve the power of the people.
You've resoundingly won the debate, at least in some respects, about the proper role of originalism in constitutional interpretation. Indeed, John McGinnis some years ago wrote that in public debates about the Constitution, everyone's an originalist. No one would admit that they don't care what the original meaning of the Constitution was. But the harder question is does that mean we don't have a lot to do at Pacific Legal Foundation to get the courts to then apply the proper understanding?
Well, I think whenever the court goes the right way and does remain true to the Constitution and its actual meaning, that is an advance. But the job certainly has not been totally completed. So we have a big job to do. I am happy to see, though, that the Pacific Legal Foundation has been remarkable in its ability to persuade justices to follow the Constitution, often by unanimous decisions in matters such as preserving property rights and other similar matters. Today, in many of the cases in recent terms of court, that the Pacific Legal Foundation has been successful.
How would you suggest we as Americans should recognize Constitution Day? How would you suggest we celebrate Constitution Day this September 17th?
The best way that people could celebrate the Constitution is to read the Constitution and become familiar with what it provides.